I am Kelly Dodd, and I am from the Real Housewives of Orange County, and I am 43 years old. We are in Newport Beach, California. I am here to do FaceTite, which is minimally invasive. You know, I'm kind of tired of seeing myself with this like sagging jowls, and it's like really bothering me. And it's important for me to maintain myself and try to look my own personal best.
Are you excited?
I'm excited.
Okay,
so I'm really excited.
Let's go over what we're doing and why. Okay, we're going to use FaceTite today. The FaceTite is a tightener of the tissue. Where the FaceTite fits in for you is it's going to give you nice tightening of the jowl area and the neck area. You're not a candidate to do anything more aggressive, but you, like most patients, want real results.
Right.
This is going to give us predictable, real tightening. The most tightening we can get without doing surgery, okay? A lot of patients come to me and they're in their late 30s or their early 40s and they're starting to see some signs of laxity and they hate it, but they're not ready for excisional therapy. What I think FaceTite does is it gives us a predictable, measurable result in these patients that want real results, but they don't want surgery.
That bell is telling us that it likes the temperature that your tissue's at. It's a safety feature.
So you don't get burned?
Correct. So I think we're good. Okay, that's it. We are done.
No way.
No way. Isn't that cool?
That is really cool.
You look great. You're gonna have a little bit of swelling for a couple of days. You
Ice it?
I would not ice it. We're going to put like a salve on you, and you'll do a gentle wash and put the salve on, and that's pretty much it. It's very easy. I don't think you'll have hardly any bruising, and you know, I really think for sure by next Monday you're going to be fine, but I think you're going to be good for the weekend.
Hey, Brian Reagan, plastic surgeon at Cosmetic with Kelly Dodd. 1 week after FaceTite, the bottom line are results with no downtime. These are her pictures.
1 week.
1 week. Notice the tightening here. This is her after. Notice the tightening of the lower jaw and neck. That's pretty impressive.
In 1 week. I can feel it. It feels tight and right.
After the procedure, I went home. I have a really high tolerance for pain, so I didn't feel the need to take any over-the-counter medication. I actually went to bed. I woke up in the morning, washed my face, didn't wear makeup for a couple of days. I put some Aquaphor and Elastin on after the second day, and sunscreen, and I returned to my normal activities as usual. I would recommend this to any of my friends. This is kind of the bridge between going under the knife and not going under the knife. I feel like I'm 43 years old. I'm not yet a candidate for getting a full facelift, so this procedure does wonders for skin tightening. So I would recommend this to any of my friends. It worked for me. It defined my jowls and my skin texture, and I'm really, really happy with the results.